Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name is Charlotte and today we're taking you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle. Introducing the 2024 model Volkswagen Taigo Life that is fresh in stock. It does come complemented in the desired yet modernised deep black pearl paintwork, housing at 110 PS. It does come complete with a 1 litre TSI engine and handy manual transmission, making it the ideal nippy city upgrade for any small families or individuals. Packed with plenty of top features including enhanced visibility with your LED daytime running headlights, 16-inch alloys and further protection with power folding wing mirrors and parking sensors. The boot offers enough space to easily accommodate daily essentials, whilst the cloth upholstery offers comfort all round with your fitted ISOFIX points and access to your central power outlets. Stepping into the front, you do have your multifunctional leather steering wheel for further convenience, with access to your digital cockpit and central touch display, and of course your two front cloth seats opposite. Moving on to the steering wheel, you do have seamless navigation around the vehicle with various audio controls and options to navigate around your digital cockpit, displaying vital driving data. You do also have the added bonus of your adaptive cruise control and limiter features to assist out on the open road. Moving across, you do have a wide variety of radio stations to keep you well entertained on those longer trips, alongside your app connect that does come compatible with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Alongside your on-screen and vehicle information and driving data, you do also have the activation of your parking sensors when manoeuvring. This is followed by the added bonus of your wireless charging pad and central cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.